Okay, here we go. We got the box from LMC Truck from USPS this morning. This is for the 1993 Silverado parts. Let's see what we have here. It's a mixed order because there were some parts that I had received from Amazon that were broken. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Replacement part. Depot. And what do we have here? Okay, so this is the running light. Replacement running light. What had happened was I had bought the running lights on Amazon and the corner was broken off. So let's see if this one is better quality. Definitely looks like better quality. It looks new and brilliant, unscratched. Yep, I would say buy these instead of buying the ones on Amazon that are from Taiwan. These may be from Taiwan as well, but at least they're not broken. All right, so let's look at the next box here. See what we have. Okay, another front grille part or running light for the 1993 Silverado. And what happened was on the one that I got from Taiwan, if you can see this, hopefully this is focusing a while. So this is two pieces. You see this orange type lens and then this back plastic. The one that I had received, the back plastic, they didn't glue it on well, so it stuck out beyond the place, beyond where it's at on, like on this. So what happened was you couldn't put it on. Now this one here looks like there's a little bit of chewing on right here, but it may pass as far as, get the focus in here, you see that? It may pass as far as putting it on a truck. I'll look. If it doesn't look right, I'll send it back. But this is the case whenever you're, rebuilding or refurbishing an old vehicle. This is the Silverado's in 1993. I'd hate to be working on like a 67 Chevelle or 57 Chevy. All right, so what we have here. See if I can get this bag open one-handed here. See what we have inside. Doesn't want to come out of the bag, does it? Okay, here we go. Yeah, so what else I ordered here was screws. And these screws, what they are is, let's focus in here. These are special screws to hold, get them in focus here, to hold the lower the lower turn signals and screw them into the grill. They have to be a special screw. Plus, I had ordered special nuts for these screws. There's 8 of them. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7, 8. So they're good there. LMC, thank you. And now let's review the last thing that's in this package, whatever it is. If I can open it one-handed here. Get my finger in here. I think I can get it open. It's coming slowly but surely here. Just about got it open. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, so these are the turn signal bulbs that go in to the lower lenses. There's 4 of them. And true to form, they sent them all. So all in all, I'll rate LMC a thumbs up, but I do think that we need to look good at this lens here. I mean, say when you buy something new and it's, let's focus here, and it's in a piece of plastic, which this was, these were put in this plastic, and they were put in these boxes here, and still the lens is chipped. You know, I would say that, you know, we may want to deal with that. But otherwise, this is much better than sometimes I get from Amazon, and eBay is just like it's a crapshoot. So folks, watch out and make sure you're getting quality for your project or hobby vehicle that you're working on. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.